Hi, and welcome to the Quick Course series. My name is Rosemary Galvan, and I'm a Principal IMS Pre-Sales Software Consultant for BMC. The Data Management Console is the GUI interface for many IMS products and solutions, including MAXM Database Advisor and the DBA Toolkit. The MainView family of products also provide a GUI interface, MainView Explorer, or MVE. In this session, I will show you how to configure the Data Management Console so that you can launch MainView Explorer. To view IMS data, you must be licensed for either System Performance for IMS or MainView for IMS Online. Before you begin, please ensure that the MainView Explorer has been implemented and is running in your environment. Now, let's see how you configure the Data Management Console to launch MainView Explorer and view that IMS data. The first step is to define the connection to the MainView server. For my example, I'm going to define the connection to the MainView server running on the same host as my Data Management Console, which is host BMCA. On the main tab of the navigation window, right-click on the host icon and select MainView Server, and then select Define Server. In the pop-up window that's provided, enter the host name, IP address, and the port number where MainView Explorer is running. If you don't have this information, you can check with the person in your organization who implemented MainView Explorer, and they should be able to provide you the information necessary to fill out this pop-up window. You can also obtain this information by looking at the MainView Explorer Starter task. You can find the MainView Explorer IP address and port number by looking at the MVE Starter task. I've decided to use the JES viewer that's provided in the Data Management Console to view the MVE Starter task. From here, I can see that the host server IP address is 192.168.29.7 and that the port I'm using is 3940. The host or the system name is BMCA. I know that this is correct because BMCA is also the host name where my Data Management Console is running. Now I will use this information to define the MainView server connection to the Data Management Console. With the information that I've obtained from the MVE Starter task, I fill out the pop-up window here and then click OK. Now, you won't receive a confirmation or a message saying that the connection is defined, but you will see MainView Explorer will now appear as a menu option for objects on your tree. If you did enter the information incorrectly, you will see warning or error messages in the message pane of the Data Management Console. You see here that I got a message that MainView server connection was refused. If you get this type of message, please check the information and enter it again. After you have properly defined the MainView server connection, you will see MainView Explorer as an option against each of your objects. In my example here, I have selected IMS IAGA, and I can see MainView Explorer as an option. From here, I can go directly to a selected MainView for IMS view. Here I am selecting the IMS Dashboard Overview view, which is IMS DSHOR. The MainView Explorer is now launched in a separate window from the Data Management Console. By default, it will automatically populate with the same user ID that you used to log into the Data Management Console. However, you can enter a different ID if you choose to do so. Please enter your user ID and your password in this window to launch the MainView console. Once I've successfully logged into MainView Explorer, I'm presented with the view that I requested. I have the IMS Dashboard view, which is view IMS DSHOR, and it's for system IAGA. Now that I'm in MainView Explorer, I can navigate in this console and view any of the IMS information that I'm authorized for. If I wanted to, I could view those 4 warning messages, for example. All I have to do is click on the Warning Messages field, and now I'm able to see those 4 warning messages. Now that I'm in MainView Explorer, I can access all the information as if I had logged directly into MainView itself. Because I have authorization to view, say, Kix, DB2, MQ, and WebSphere server, I can hyperlink directly to those applications. This is very useful since IMS often interacts with different subsystems, and a problem reported on IMS may actually be the result of something occurring elsewhere. Having access to all the data available through MainView will help me in problem determination. Even though I'm working on MainView Explorer, I still have complete access to the Data Management Console. I can minimize the Data Management Console while I work in MainView Explorer, or I can have information side by side. By configuring the Data Management Console with MainView Explorer, you have access to the information provided by both MainView and your BMC IMS utilities. For more information on MAXM Database Advisor, MainView, or for any mainframe product, please review the URL that you see here on the slide. Thanks so much for listening, and have an awesome day.